Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, south central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Church Point, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Opelousas, Church Point, Leonville, Sunset, Fort Bar, Washington, Grand Coteau, and Luttel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.